Here we are with Van Asia. We are live on Instagram, and let's go and see what facilities we have in this van. So here we go. Abracadabra. We open the back door, and this is the sleeping area and a lounge area also. So in the daytime you can sit around here. We have a table which comes up here. You can use your computer, use it as an office space. And the night the table goes down and this becomes a sleeping area. And two people can sleep down, and if we have more people we can just put this up as a railway sleeper, the bunk bed, and four people can comfortably sleep inside here. Here Here we have our deities, they travel with us. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. So this is their altar. So, and this is our kitchen. So here every day we prepare our food. This has got a small oven also. And this is our workspace area where we do all the chopping, cleaning, etc. Here we have a 12-volt DC fridge which we use. And behind this door is our bathroom, which is like an airline system. So it uses per flush about half a liter to 1 liter maximum of water. And rest all is storage. Here is our kitchen storage area. All our groceries, everything go inside here. So this basically is the van in which we travel all over India. So far we have done 6 states. Orissa is the 7th state. And we are here to spread the message of love and care. So there is ancient teachings of India in the Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam. So these message of love and care we pass on to the entire society. So the deep culture and heritage of our India is maintained. Let me tell you also, Orissa is one of the states where we have wonderful roads. 40 days we've been traveling. The roads are beautiful. The infrastructure is very good here. And the people are amazing. Currently, we are in this Devigra Wildlife Sanctuary. We have come here, and the staff here has been very, very helpful, very cooperative, and most importantly, they are very loving. So please come here and visit this place and make the most use of it. Thank you so much.